Look how perfect that hole is. It looks like I did it with a drill bit. Look at that. This tool is so cool. So I just found these in my junk pile. Not really sure what they're for, but I have 4 of them. So I'm going to cut this. So I cut the end off. I'm going to cut it here. Then I'm going to slide it into these. And hopefully it comes out looking like a hydraulic or a shock or a strut. Cool, right? Hopefully. So those little brackets that I had, I just cut them down. And then I'm going to weld them like so. And that'll be what the back of my shock attaches to. Or actually, I'll probably do it like that. And then that'll be where the shock mounts to. Get a hole there. I may put a bolt in there. I'm thinking I may put some copper tubing down in there. So it looks like copper tubing running into it. Pretty cool, right? So I'm just taking these gears that I cleaned up. I'm going to weld a nut on it like that, just to add a little more detail. Make it look like it's bolted in like that. So I'm running a little low on the fittings that I have to be able to finish this out, so I'm going to have to make a trip to Home Depot. I like to try to use as much scrap as I can, but I've already used all my scrap half-inch pipe stuff, so I've been having to buy new. So I need to make another friend in plumbing to be able to get all their old stuff like I did in the past. But Colossus will be really happy, as you see here in a second. He loves going to Home Depot. If y'all been following me from the beginning, he's been going to Home Depot since he was 6 weeks old, so he really likes it up there, and he's got his own little fan base up there. Hey, just remember, if you need gears and you can't afford a laser cutter, cut your own out. I've been getting these from Bitterroot Design. They're really affordable. I think the last time I bought a whole box of gears, it was like $9. But here's one of the biggest things to keep in mind if you're going to order gears. There's a lot of sellers that are selling wood gears, but what most people don't think about is those gears they're selling, a lot of them are different shapes with different teeth. Even though Bitterroot Design does a lot of different styles and different sizes, they all have the same teeth. So even if you got a big gear and a little gear, the teeth will line up. So you can make it look cool or even make it functional. So a lot of these other ones, they'll have square teeth and spike teeth, or they'll make the same gear and just make a smaller version of it. So the teeth actually get smaller. So the small version will not link up to the big version. Just something to keep in mind whenever you're ordering gears. Bitterroot Design's taking care of that for you. They put a lot of thought into their products. Chance. I think I got more treats in here. I think I got more treats in here. So Chance is 10 months old. Him and his sister were picked up by a foster when they were puppies, they had parvo and mange. They're both parvo mange survivors. His sister bonded with one of the employees that works here. She would only eat when that employee was here, and she would cry and whine and when she wasn't, so she ended up taking his sister home. But Chance is just as sweet. He'll be getting neutered next week. He's super sweet. He's just nervous of new people.